Hi, this is Ranjit Reddy. Welcome to our New Vision YouTube channel. Today topic is another application of Ekadika Purvena in case of vulgar fractions. Any vulgar fraction of the form 1 upon a9, that is any vulgar fraction whose denominators are the numbers ending in 9, it is easily converting as a recurring decimals in seconds by using Ekadikena Purvena. A vulgar fraction of the form 1 upon a9, where 9 is ones place digit, a is combination of the digits or a single digit number. So such as a not equal to 0, a may be 1, 2, 3, etc. So it is easily calculated by using Ekadika Purvena. For example, put a equal to 1. The fraction has become 1 by 19. Let us start how to convert these fraction into recurring decimal by using normal method. See here, 19 as the divisor, 1 as the dividend. Now 1 is smaller than 19, so we have to keep point. So take 0 at dividend, that is 10. 10 also smaller than 19, take one more 0, it becomes 100 now. 19 5s are, it become 95. Subtracted the numbers, we get 5, so take 0, now it becomes 50. 19 2s are 38, so subtracted the numbers, that is 12, so take one more 0 here, 120. So 19 6 are 114, subtract the numbers, now it becomes 6, it means 60. Again 19 3s are 57, subtracted the numbers, we get 3, again take the 0, it becomes 30. It not enough space to write downside, so I started here again 30. 19 1s are 19, 30 minus 19 11, it becomes 110. 19 5s are 95, subtracted them, it becomes 15, so take 0 150. Again 19 7s are 133, subtracted the numbers, so remainder is 17, take 0 170. 19 8s are 152, subtract the numbers, it becomes 18, so take 0, it becomes 180. I write here again 19 9s are 171, subtract the numbers, the remainder is 9, take 0 90. 19 4s are 76, subtract the numbers, so it becomes 14, take 0 140. 19 7s are 133, subtract the numbers, 7 means 70. 19 3s are 57, subtract the numbers, that is 13, take 0, it becomes 130. Again 19 6, write 6 on the question part, 114, subtracted them, again 16, it becomes 160. 19 8s are 152, subtracted them, it becomes 8 80. Again 19 4s are, write 4 on the quotient part, that is 76, subtracted them, again 4 is the remainder, take 40. So 19 2s are 38, subtract them, it becomes 20. Now 19 ones are 19, the final remainder is 1. So once you observe now, initially we have to starting with 1, so final remainder also 1. So here this many digits are consist in our recurring decimal part. So once you count how many digits which are in the decimal part, that is recurring decimal part, that are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18. There are 18 digits under the recurring part. Now we have to solve the problem by using ekadikena purvena sutra. Right, first ekadikena purvena, which mean by one more than it previous one. Ekadikena mean one more than, purvena mean previous. So by one more than previous. So initially the number of digits under the recurring decimal part. In the normal method, we cannot say before doing the process, but we can say that in the Vedic method, that is denominator minus numerator. See here, 1 by 19, denominator is 19, numerator is 1, 19 minus 1 18. So 18 digits under the recurring decimal part. So here 9 is the last digit, 1 is the previous digit, that is purvena. So add one more than the previous digit, that is 1 plus 1, that is equal to 2, that is one more than it previous ekadikena, that mean. Okay. So add one more than the previous one. So 1 by 19 is conventionally read as 1 by 20. Again 1 by 2 into 1 by 10 we have to write. 1 by 10 we have to write as the decimal, that is 1 by 2 into 0.1, again 0.1 by 2. So in this method is solved by two methods, that is division method, another one is multiplication method. Now by using the division method, we have to solve first. Let us take 0.1 upon 2 is equal to 0 times of 2 is 0. So write as the quotient part, that is 0, and 1 is the remainder. So remainders always write downside. So quotient always write upside. Now here 1 remainder, 0 is the quotient. If you combine this, it becomes 10. Now in 2 table, 2 times of 5, it becomes 10. So write 5 as the quotient. What is the remainder? 10 minus 10, 0. So write as downside. Now it becomes 0 5, 0 5 mean 5. 2 times of 2, it becomes 4, 5 minus 4, the remainder is 1, quotient is 2. Now it becomes 12. 2 6 are 12, 12 minus 12 0, 0 is the remainder, write in downside. Again 6, 2 3 is 6, what is the remainder? 0, write in downside. Again 3, 2 times of 1 2, 3 minus 2 the remainder is 1. Now again 11, 2 times of 5 10, 11 minus 10 is remainder is 1. Again 15, 2 7s are 14, remainder is 1. Again 17, 2 8s are 16, again remainder is 1. Again 18, 2 9s are 18, remainder is 0. Again 9, 2 times of 4 8, 9 minus 8 remainder is 1. Again 14, 2 7s are 14, remainder is 0. Again 7, 2 3s are 6, remainder is 1. Now 13, so 2 6 are 12, 13 minus 12, that is remainder is 1. Again 16, 2 8s are 16, remainder is 0. Again 8, 2 4s are 8, remainder is 0. Again 4, 2 2s are 4, remainder is 0. Now write 0 downside. Again 2 times of 1 2, so 1 quotient 0 is the remainder. So here starting we have to start with 1, ending with 1. Therefore there are 18 digits once you count now from 0 to 1. See here 1, so this many digits which are recurring in our decimal part. See here, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18. So it is very easily calculated by this method compared with our normal method. There is one more method to solve vulgar fraction convert into recurring decimals by Ekadika Purvena. So this video is too lengthy. We will discuss more examples on part 2. So I will upload very soon. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel to get more updates.